it's Valerie here with Night Ninja, and today we are going to make sticky splats all on our own. So we are actually going to be making our very own Play-Doh from scratch. Are you excited? Yeah. And we have here the ingredients we need. All you need is salt, some wheat flour, lemon juice, food coloring, and water. And we actually have red food coloring, yellow, and blue. So the primary colors, red, yellow, and blue. So here's my instructions. We need a cup of flour, a quarter cup of salt, 3 teaspoons of vinegar or lemon juice, a half a cup of water, and then the food coloring. We're going to put all of the ingredients in a saucepan and heat it up on low heat. Alright, Night Ninja, why don't you pour in the salt? Good, and then you can dump in the lemon juice. Good job, Night Ninja. This is going to be fun. Okay, you can dump in the water now. And then we'll turn on the heat and start stirring up our Play-Doh, our sticky splats. Ooh. So Night Ninja, what color sticky splats should we make, huh? Pink. Pink sticky splats?
Yeah.
So we'll make some pinkish ones, and maybe should we see what would happen if we use all the colors? See if we can make some brown sticky splats?
No, pink sticky splats.
Pink? Okay. We can learn some colors and mix the colors around and see what happens too. So I made Play-Doh with my kids before and they really liked it. So hopefully this turns out too. I might need a tiny bit more water, but let's keep on stirring it and see what happens. So while we are cooking, I was going to ask Night Ninja, who are you going to throw your sticky splats at?
Romeo.
Romeo? Oh, good idea. Okay, so I think this is good. You want it a little bit more dry than you think, or else it's going to not be, it will actually be too sticky, which is kind of ironic because we want sticky splats. And we're going to take this to the table, add the food coloring, and I have 6 separate bowls, so we'll do a lot of different colors. So Night Ninja wants some pink, and to make pink you usually use red and white. So I think what we'll do is just a tiny drop of red, and hopefully it will look pink enough. So 1 drop of pink in here, or red. Now stir it in nice and carefully. And we'll do some other colors. How about we do red and then some yellow, and red and yellow make orange. Yellow, there we go. And then maybe we'll do a blue and red. Blue and red make purple. So 1 red dot and some blue. Ooh, that's a lot. Yikes. We'll see what happens there. We'll stir these all up. And then if we want to make green, it's yellow and blue. And then we should make, there we go. And then we should try making brown. So I think to make brown, we need some red and yellow and blue. We'll see what happens. Then we have 1 more. What should we make with the last one? How about we just make some plain blue? Okay, there we go. Now the easiest way is to mix them with your hands. This is gonna be fun. Ooh, it's kind of sticky. Sticky splats. And maybe we should have some surprises in these too. That would be fun. How's yours working, Night Ninja? And we have baby Eli here too. Alright Ninja, I think we're ready to show off your sticky splats, and hopefully we can find Romeo to throw them at. So your pink is over here. It's kind of like pinkish red. And here's our yellow. And then we have our purple, which kind of turned really dark. I think it added too much food coloring. And this one's all of the colors mixed, and it's kind of brown. Pretty yucky. And then blue. And baby Eli has green over here. Matches your shirt, huh? Yeah, do you like the green Play-Doh? Maybe that's his favorite color. Oh, blue and then some brown on it. Which sticky splat do you want to throw at Romeo? Ooh, yellow and red. Okay, let's go find him.
I think I hear Romeo. Oh no, it's Night Ninja. I get sticky splats.
Well, good job, Night Ninja. And Romeo, you're a good sport, huh? You got attacked by baby Night Ninja. Well, if you want more videos like this, please remember to like and subscribe and check out more videos.
I can't believe it. The Ninjalino is still sleeping in my bed. I'm already late for school, so I'll have to talk to him later. That was a nice 2-minute nap. Wait, where's Gekko? Did I sleep 8 hours? Aw man, this wasn't my plan. Now I have to wait at his house until he comes home from school. At least I have plenty of time to think how should I attack him. I'm home! Ninjalino, are you here? Oh, you're here and you took off your mask? Gekko, I didn't know you would be back this soon. Crepes! Ninjalino, why are you in my house? Jumping on my bed. I was supposed to hide. You weren't supposed to see me. Hey, do you want to make pancakes? Are you hungry? No. No? No pancakes? What's that for then? This is for removing sticky splats off me. Do you want to be on my team, a good Ninjalino? No, never! I'm the good guy, you're the bad guy. You don't like Ninjalinos. You say they're bad at fighting. I'm going to prove you wrong. I'm going to leave now, but when you're sleeping, I'm going to get you. What? You have to be on the good team. Don't go! Oh, this isn't good. He might get me while I'm sleeping. I don't think I'll get any sleep tonight. Yay, he's finally asleep. I got my sticky splats ready and this time I'm going to get him without falling to sleep on the comfy bed. Alright, easy does it. Don't fall to sleep. Don't fall to sleep. Don't fall to sleep. Comfy bed. I'm going to fall to sleep. Wait, I'm supposed to get Gekko. Sticky splat, sticky splat. Put all the sticky splats. Here, look at that. All on his side. You won't be able to get up. Ha ha, I got you. This serves you right for teasing Ninjalinos. Have fun being glued to your bed for a while. I'm out of here so I don't get in trouble. Oh, whoa, there's my mask. Better pick that up. Wait a minute, I can't move. I can't move. There's something sticky on me. Oh no, an Ninjalino! I can't believe it. This is so embarrassing. Catboy, please help! What happened, Gekko? Oh no, sticky splats. I have this. This is a special one. This will help you. Ow. Ow. Sing. We are all off. Woohoo! Thank you, Catboy. You saved me. How did you get so many sticky splats? A Ninjalino. Oh. Now we have to figure out a way to stop this baby Ninjalino. And write down in the comment section how we should get rid of them. Like and subscribe.